nature is not linear. And we like to think in linear ways, don't we, as people? We like to think in simplistic terms. But nature works in cycles and it operates in a circular way. So if we take the water cycle as an example, microbes, fungi, and fauna all create a healthy and stable soil environment. This creates the right conditions for plants to thrive and grow through photosynthesis. And we know that plants draw down carbon and transpire water into the atmosphere. And this water condenses into clouds, which helps regulate the climate. Clouds produce rain, which nourishes the soil, and the process continues. So that's a really nice example of how climate, soil, water, and biodiversity all link together, and how we can't think of those things in isolation. Part of the challenge is that when we focus on factors like carbon by themselves, we end up with unintended consequences when the whole cycle hasn't been taken into consideration. So as an example, focusing on just planting crops that sequester the most carbon rather than thinking about those that support biodiversity essential to controlling pests in that area, then we end up with a dysfunctional cycle and that system isn't interconnected properly. So I think the key takeaway here is that everything is interconnected and that nature works in cyclical ways rather than linear ways.